Welcome to ABCD. Today, we'll be solving another math question. The figure below is made up of two rectangles of different dimension and one square. Find the area of the shaded part. So let's pull out the diagram first. So this will be the question. So similarly to the previous question, what can we do first? Okay, so we will first draw out this. Okay, then we know this is our 1, which is the full diagram. So here tell us this is 6 cm. So this is 6 cm. Okay, then this one is 4 plus 5 plus 3, and this gives us 12 cm. Okay, then we can first draw out this triangle. Okay, then we can draw out this triangle. Okay, then this one, if it's a circle, you'll know that it will be a square in a circle. Okay, why do we know that? Because if you draw a square, right, to scale, okay, let's see, can I draw a to scale one? Not very to scale, but if you draw a to scale one, right, okay, you realize that the circle's dimension will be equals, the dimension here will actually be equals to the length of the circle. Do you know that? Because the dimension is d, then the length will be d. But because the dimension is the same horizontally and vertically, so that's why we can enclose a circle in a square. So this is what we need to use to be able to find the weird part here. Because we know that this circle is dimension 3, and it's a 3 by 3. So you know that if here is 3, here will also be 3. If here is 3, then here is also 3. Get it? Okay, let's erase this off first and continue this part. Okay, we'll draw 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this time we will write here because it's a bit longer. Okay, firstly, what is the total area? The total area will be equals to 6 times 12. And this will give us 72 cm square. Okay, number 2. Number 2, we know that this is 6. Why we know this is 6? Because number 1, we know that this is 4 plus 2. Okay, number 2, we know this is 6. Yeah, so either way you know. So half times height, which is 6, times base. Base will be this part. This part will be 4 plus 5. So it will be equal to half times 6 times 9. And this will give us 27. Okay, number 3 is also a triangle, so half times height here is 3. Why here is 3? Because here is 3. Okay, so we split this into 2 squares. That's why we know this is 3. Because this is a rectangle of 6 cm. Correct? Oops, my rectangle not very nice. Okay, so if this is a circle, then this will be a square. Because remember, this can be a square. So a circle can be enclosed in a square, so it will be 2 squares. Okay, so half times 3 times, this is 4 plus 5 plus 3. So you will get half times 3 times 12. This will give us 18. So number 4. Okay, so firstly, right, number 4, we realize that it's a square. with a circle. So we need to find the we need to find the color here, here, and here. Correct? So first you find the square first. So square will be 3 times 3, and this will give us 9. Okay? Then for the circle, it will be pi r squared. Then r will be 3 divided by 2 because the diameter is 3. And this will give us, this will give us 2.25 pi. If you put this into a calculator to 3 decimal point is 7.065. So for number 4, it will be 1 square and 1 circle. Okay, so we need these 3 parts. So we need to find the area here. If we already know the square and the circle, how do we get? We will need to get the unshaded part, so later on we can cancel out. Okay, so we need to find this part, which is this part. This part will be equal to something like that. Correct? So it will be 1 over 4, because there's 4 similar parts there, times 9 minus 7.065. Okay? 9 minus 7.065 divide by 4, and this will give us 0.48375. Okay, then the total of the circle plus one side will then be equals to 7.065 plus 0.48375. This will give us 7.54875. Okay, so after getting this, we will then need to use 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. This will be 1 will be 72, minus 2, which is 27, minus 3, which is 18, minus 4, which is 7.54875, and this will give us 19.45125. Round off to 2 decimal point will be 19.45. Do you get this correct? That's it for this episode. We hope that you have learned something new. The link to the worksheets are available in the description below. See ya!